guys, today I'm going to show you guys my room, give you guys a little room tour and show you how I like organize my spaces. Let me show you guys the inside of my room and kind of explain to you why I decided to do my room how I did. So this is my closet. I don't know if you can see, but I have these like fairy lights and vines, and I hung up the fairy lights, and then my roommate had these extra vines that she used in her room, so I thought it would be super cute to like put them together. I mainly have like all of my sweaters and then my light jackets over here, thicker like puffer jackets over here, pants here. In here I mainly just have like socks and shirts and then some like miscellaneous kind of like seasonal clothes. There's also some storage space kind of like below here. There's also a bar here, so if you want to hang more stuff then you're able to hang it here. So I have all these Studio Ghibli posters on my wall. If you can, try not to use things that are too harsh on the wall because that can actually damage it and you don't want that. Yeah, it's pretty spacious. There's these like little windowsills, so I put these plants from IKEA. They're not real. Put them right beside the window and it's just so cute, and I feel like there's so much that you could do with these windows. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the windows are like so big. All of the townhouses come with this bulletin board. I hung all of my photo booth pictures along this row, and then I put most of my Polaroids right here. And then on the bottom, it's just a mix of like Polaroids and then just like random photo cards that I have with my friends. There's also some storage under the bed. They open pretty wide. I think it goes under almost the entire bed. Moving on to my desk area, I also have these two posters from like Studio Ghibli. This IKEA pegboard is so cute. I have like all of my extra pictures. Right beside the desk, or kind of like in the desk, there's these 3 drawers. So on the very top one, I keep all of my arts and crafts things in here. Second one, I just have like some like the extra vines. And then in the third one, I have all of my like electronics and like recording stuff that I use sometimes. Here we have my storage shelves. I have some of my favorite stuffies over there just to make it a little bit friendlier and cozier. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys around Residences. Bye!